Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, what's up? And today we are going to be learning how to make a Henry Stickmin sort of game on Scratch, and this is the second part in the series. So, I did make some changes, so yeah, I'll go over them right after I'm done with the intro. But last time we left off at a pretty nice looking main menu. And I've added a couple things. So I added a sprite named just Bob, right? And then it's just wait. These aren't supposed to be here, guys. I'm sorry. But it's just, Stickman, right? That's literally all it is. And then I have a loading screen, which if I add background, it's loading. Alright, just loading with 1 dot at the end, and then loading with 2 dots at the end, and then loading with 3 dots at the end. Right? And then I have a sprite called Screen Shade, and it's literally just a black screen. So, yeah, and then I have a window, which is just a window with the window text under it. So if I just boom, window text. And then with the plunger text, and then with the door, just door text. That's all it is. Also, I did create one new backdrop, and it's called just Scene 1, and it's literally a building on a plane. So yeah. I didn't do too much. All I did was just art. Yeah. So anyways, let's get into the tutorial. First thing we want to do is we want to hide every single sprite I just went over. So when we click hide, I'm just going to copy this and then paste it in to all of these sprites. So now we can actually see our main menu. And then when we click play, nothing happens. So we want a loading screen when we click play. So let's do when I receive play game. We're going to wait 1 second. We're going to switch costume to costume 1. We're going to show, set size to 100, and go to 0, 0. That means it's just going to be at the center of the screen. And then, we're going to do a repeat 9 times. Wait 0.5 seconds. Next costume. Boom. And then we're just going to add a hide. So, that will just make it, so if you click play, it's going to show loading, 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 and it's going to do this 3 times, and then it's going to hide. So that's pretty nice. And then at the end, we're going to broadcast scene 1. What we're going to do is this Bob dude right here. We're going to do, first of all, inside of the loading screen, we're going to do when I receive scene 1. We're going to show, we're going to hide, and then we're going to switch the backdrop to scene 1. And then, let's put the hide in front because we don't want any errors with that. And now, if we click play, it'll load one time, 2 time, 3 time, and then it'll switch over to this. And now, with our Bob dude here, let's do when I receive play game. Scene 1. We're gonna go to whatever that position is. So if I just show him right now, he's right there, and I think I like him right there. And then we're going to make him show. Also set size to 25. Because I experimented around with this, and 100 was just humongous. He was literally as big as the building. Stickman, Godzilla. We don't want any of that. So 25 is a pretty good size. Because he wants to be a comparable size to the building. Yeah. And then we're also going to make him switch costume to costume 1. Okay, now, so I want him to look up at the building for like a second and then move his head back down. Right? So just in the animation here. Oh wait, also I'm gonna call this Bob scene 1. Boom. Okay. And I'm gonna duplicate this. Just gonna group his head together real quick. Okay. And then I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. And then I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. Turn it up a little bit more. Turn it up just like, oh my god, his head. Okay. And I'm gonna duplicate this frame like 4 times. And then I'm going to take frame 4, and then I'm going to put it all the way at the bottom. So boom. And I'm going to take costume 3, and then put it all the way at the bottom. And then I'm going to take costume 2, put it all the way at the bottom. And then I'm going to take costume 1, and then put it all the way at the bottom. Alright, so this is him looking up and down. And now, we want to do okay, so there's 13 costumes. So then we're gonna wait 1 second, and we're gonna repeat 12 times next costume. And now, if I just, have this right here, you can see that he looks up, but it's like very quickly. Like, he looks up, and then he doesn't even stop to look at it. He just, like, moves it up and down really quickly. So, we can fix this with coding. So, let's wait 1 second. Then, we'll repeat 5 times next costume. Right? And if I do that, he'll be up, like, looking up at the building. And then I will wait I'll wait 1 second. And then I will repeat another 7 times next costume. So now, if we click play, loading. Now, he'll look up at it for a second, and then he'll move his head back down. Now, we want 3 options, right? And my 3 options are going to be window, plunger, and then door. So in the screen share thing, screen shade, not screen share, we're going to go and do when I receive. Oh, wait. We need a broadcast down here. So let's wait another second, and then broadcast. Scene 1 options. And now, screen shade thing, we're going to do when I receive scene 1 options, show set ghost effect to 50. We're going to go to 00, set size to 100, right? And go to front layer. That should be at the very top. So now we do all of this, and I might make the loading screen a bit faster, but he looks up, looks down, and then we have this like shade on the top of the screen. And that just indicates that we can't do anything on the screen, and we can get our options. So now we do when I receive scene 1 options. Here, I'm gonna show this, hide that. Okay. I want the window to be up here. The plungers will be right there. Right, and then the door will be right there. Okay, so you guys can maneuver this around in any way you want, but this is what I'm going to go with. And then I'm just going to add go-to positions wherever they are. So, boom, and then when I receive scene 1 options, go to there. Okay. Now, let's also add a show, first of all. And then let's do if, right? Forever if touching mouse pointer, set size to 110, else set size to 100. Alright, now when we do this, I'm just going to run this part. Whenever we hover over it, it'll change size so we know that we're selecting it. And I'm just going to copy this onto every single one. Okay. So now that that's there, we can also add a when this sprite clicked. So boom, when this sprite clicked, we'll broadcast window. Boom. And now we'll do in the plungers, when this sprite clicked, we'll broadcast plungers. Then in the door, when the sprite clicked, we'll broadcast door. Okay. Now, if we were to run this whole project again and we click play on Bob the Stickman, and then we're loading. Now, he looks up, looks down, and okay, slight problem here. So everything, okay, wait. So all the icons are behind the screen shade, and we don't want that. So we'll just add, in the Bob scene one thing, we'll add a go-to back layer here. So a go-to back layer. And then we can get rid of this go-to front layer here. And then we can put it in instead of the plungers. Or I mean not the plungers, the icons. And now, if we were to do this all again, and I'm also going to change the loading just instead of 0.5, 0.2, because it's way too long. You guys can definitely adjust this. But see, now there's the screen shade thing, and we have all three icons. Now, I might want to change this ghost effect to maybe 25. Oh, no, wait. 75. Yeah, I think 75 looks really good. Okay. But, you can see when we click it, nothing actually happens. But that is for the next episode, guys. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So, peace out.